Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The BJP manifesto has come out last because the BJP was facing a serious problem of coming out with another set of promises in their manifesto when they had spectacularly failed in fulfilling their earlier promises.
2012 ते 17 ही पहिली 5 वर्सां बीजेपी सरकारान यू-टर्नाचेर यू-टर्न घेऊन आपल्या जाहीरनाम्यात जितले आशिल्ले ते सगळे भायर वडिला. जाहीरनाम्यात किती बरयल्ले तितलेय ताज्या ताणी विपरीत केला. MOI घे, कॅझिनो घे, रिजनल प्लॅन घे, एम्प्लॉयमेंट घे, हाजेर जे ताणी जाहीरनाम्यात सांगिल्ले म्हळ्यार मॅनिफेस्टोक सांगिल्ले ताज्या उलटे केल्ले. वी विल फर्स्ट give the mines to a public sector corporation and then auction them. Why can't government do it directly?
They have no policy.
They have no policy. They have no data. They have no vision. They don't know how to solve this problem. I am sure mining will not start for another term if BJP comes in power.
Heritage bungalow, we destroyed the heritage site. Who approved it? Who was the attack? The present BJP candidate. The present BJP candidate was a punch. When the resolution was passed, she did not oppose it. The bloc president of the Congress was a punch. Who seconded it? And I raised it up. I've got records before the president.